up? Welcome to Cakes by Anna. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make very delicious raspberry center filled chocolates, for which you require
1 cup of white compound chocolate, 4 to 5 drops of raspberry flavor, few drops of red or pink food color, and 2 tablespoons of condensed milk.
And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.